Now, so we'll continue our studies on permissible actions in Salah that sometimes we think they are not permissible, or we think they will break our Salah. However, they do not impact on the validity of the Salah. Action number 7 is correcting the Imam's recitation during Salah. This is permissible. However, we must be very careful so that we do not turn the masjid into a playground when the Imam is reciting the Quran, because we find many times that the Imam is reciting and he makes an error, and then you have 2, 3, 4, 5 persons in the Jama'ah, in the congregation, trying to correct the recitation of the Imam, thereby causing more confusion in the Imam and even causing more confusion in the Salah entirely. The prayer is a very serious matter. We should not play with it. In fact, in any mosque, you should have a specific person or persons, maybe 2, to say, okay, it is your duty to correct the Imam whenever he makes any mistake in Salah. So you stay close to the Imam. And again, when is the Imam to be corrected? If the Imam jumps one verse and then he goes to another verse mistakenly, allow the Imam to continue. You don't have to bring him back. That can cause more confusion unless he becomes stuck. When Imam becomes stuck and is unable to proceed, those appointed can now correct the Imam. In case there is no one appointed in your mosque to correct the Imam, it doesn't mean you still have to turn the mosque into a playground. One person is enough to correct the Imam. And then speak loud so that the Imam can hear you and then he knows what you are saying.